I can go days, months, years without touching anything, but for some reason it's oily, it's dirty, it's not cosmetic, and for some reason it just speaks to me. I have to have it. I don't know why, but I realized that it's got a soul. It's got something there that you just can't see, and I think that's what I like about it. Just looking at it and seeing just how everything works, just the little intricate details on how it was done years back just intrigues me. And I think this is what tinkering and making is all about. It doesn't have to be cosmetic. There's a soul, a life to it all. And the older I get, the more I realize that I don't want anything new. I want it back where people had to be self-sufficient. They had to know how to fix it, and you looked at the machine and it was done for the pure fact of it just working. And I think this is what this channel's about. Just getting in there, getting your hands dirty, and making things.